Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Notion with ChatGPT. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and go to your workspace. Once you're inside, create a new page by clicking New Page. This gives you a starting point and makes it easier to access your workspace settings. Next, look at the left side of the screen and click on your workspace. Scroll down and select Settings. Inside the Settings window, look for the Notion MCP section and open it. After opening this section, now browse the available integrations and locate ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT appears, click on it, and this will open up in New Window. Here, click Connect. At this point, you'll be redirected to ChatGPT to authorize the connection, review the permissions, then approve access to continue. After the authorization process is complete, you'll see a confirmation that ChatGPT has been connected to your Notion workspace. And that's it! So that's basically how you can connect Notion with ChatGPT. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.